Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Good morning, my dear vascular colleague. I am Dr. Muhammad Omar al-Farouk, consultant vascular surgeon from Egypt and examiner of the Royal College of Surgeons of England. I would like to invite you all to attend our Pan-Arab Vascular Surgical Society in Riyadh from 6th to 9th of December 2023. It took the board nearly 1 year to get the best possible program that we can provide a great scientific appetite to all the vascular colleagues attending the Congress. We have incorporated what is very interesting to junior, which is vascular workshops in one dedicated day that will improve the skills that is needed for vascular trainee in 2023. And we have also included 60 faculty all over the world to come to Riyadh. We have incorporated about 110 lectures in different fields of vascular surgery. I'm sure you will enjoy the company, the debate, the recent discussions, the recent challenges, and junior staff will enjoy a lot of surgical skills that will help them and promote them in their career. And we will also enjoy the beauty of Riyadh, one of the most beautiful cities all over the world. And we have a great social program that will satisfy all the ambition of vascular surgeon attending the Congress. I would like to thank very much all the eminent vascular and endovascular Saudi consultants that have welcomed us with an open hand, with a mutual cooperation spirit that really was amazing to us. We're very thankful and we're very grateful, and we hope that you all are able to attend our Congress in Riyadh this year, and hope you will come back with a lot of friends, a lot of knowledge, a lot of science, and a lot of skills. Thank you very much, Dr. Muhammad Omar al-Farouk from Egypt.